Right then, so as you can see, I've used 3 packs of the flooring. I decided I wanted to cover the whole floor, and I've managed to leave an area on that side once everything's been shifted, so that the side stand on the bike will just sit there without pressing into the rubber on the matting. There's still a lot of stuff I need to shift out of the way, but for the time being it's fine as it is. My next task will be to put a weather strip across the front door so that all the leaves and the rain and whatever else don't blow under it and keeps the garage clear. And to do that, I've got this stuff, Stormguard Garage Threshold Seal. Okay, so let's get the box open and we'll see what we've got inside. So this is what you get in the box. You've got a tube of bonding and a great long strip of this stuff, profiled to go under the door, hopefully stop the rain coming in. So let's get it stretched out across the floor, see how it fits. Now, I don't know if you can see that in this light, but that's it, roughly stretched out across the floor. Obviously I'm going to need to trim it to make it fit, and that's going to be the next job. So for the time being it's cut to fit, and at the moment it's just got some bricks on it. I haven't sealed it down because with it having been rolled up it'll just bounce off the ground, so I'll leave it like that for a day or two, let it settle, and then I'll seal it down. just need to press it down and leave it.